Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Chinese dragon to celebrate the Year of the Dragon. So let's get started. To draw this awesome dragon, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a circle. And I'm going to try to make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve going up. So slightly different because we're just seeing from the side. And then right here, we're going to draw a highlight and then another highlight right next to it and shade everything else in. That way I can just put some color in the eyes and lines at the bottom right here. There. Now that I have that, I'm going to draw a curve over the eye right about here, and then I'm going to bring it down to say about right here and then curve it up just to give it a little bit of definition. Then from there, I'm going to use my eye as my guide, and I'm going to come to the top of my eye, come right next to it, so say about right here, and I'm going to give myself a point. Using this point, I'm going to start to draw the snout area. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve coming out. And then this part is going to go up over around the eye and up. So just want to create this curve right over the eye. Then from there, let's come about right here, and I'm going to pop out a little curve for the snout right there. And then we're going to bring it down. We're going to start to draw the mouth. So we're going to draw a curve right underneath the eye. So let's bring this in. And as we come towards the eye, we're going to go up a little bit and then curve around. And then come right back and to about right here and curve in. There. And then as we curve in, let's just give it one more little notch curve, and then we're just going to bring it down. And around. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come back into this area. I'm going to draw a little oval for the snout area. And then, let's see here. Let's bring this up. Trickiest part is always this head. Trying to frame around the eye. So about right there. Then let's work on the mouth. So I am going to come, let's say about right here. I'm just going to, small little detail, I'm going to lightly draw around this curve to give the mouth some detail without making it too complicated, because it can get very complicated, right? So I'm trying my best to make it simple. And then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw in some teeth. So I'm right here and I'm just going to stagger it. So up and down. So whatever space I have, I'll just go ahead and put in some teeth. And then we need to draw the whisker. So very important, let's say about right here. I'm just going to curve it down to about right here, and I'll try my best to thicken it up without making too much of a mess. There, and so I have to go in there and erase that later. And then the other side, we're just gonna pop it out, say about right here, and thicken it up. So I guess you'll see it through here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's see. This nice and smooth. Now that we have this set in, then about right here, I'm going to stop and draw the ears. So it's just kind of like a slant of the eye. I'm come about right here, draw a curve, and I'm going to pop in these ears. And let's see here, bring it sharp and bring it down. And then for some detail, I'm just going to come in here and draw a curve. And then whatever space I have, I'm going to bring that in. So then just imagining this is coming through about right here. And if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish this curve for the top of the head. But I'm going to stop first and draw these, not sure what you call them, but decorations for the head. So I'm just going to start with a curve right here, and I'm just going to make them kind of like this flame-like shape. There, and then maybe another one here. And one more, about right here, smaller one. And connect. There. So then whatever space you have left, let's come in here. Just going to draw the head. Bring it down. And there. So just kind of like a snake, right, for the neck. Then let's come about right here. And we're going to start the neck area. And before I finish that, let's come back. I almost forgot the horns. So about right here, I'm just going to stick in these right here. Let's go up. Nice simple horns. In, and then one more. Long, tall one. And just pop them in right here. And so let's draw the back one about right here. Same thing. And up. And just bring it in. There. Okay, so finally we're done with that. And then let's go ahead and we're going to start to draw the body. So I'm going to bring this down. And we're going to bring it extended out. So let's come about right here. We're going to curve up, and then let's bring this down. So it's like a snake's body, right? So let's come about right here. Following. And about in this area, I'm going to stop and draw the front legs. So I'm going to curve and come down, curve and come down, trying to simplify it, and then we're just going to pop it out for the feet. There. And then you can add a little nail if you want for some detail. And then let's continue this up, following that curve. And let's see here, let's go up. So we're going to bring it up. And let's keep going. And say about right here, I'm going to stop once again and draw the back leg. So about right here, I'm going to bring it down, and we're going to bring it to the same level as that front legs. So about right here, curve in, and just like this one, about right there, pop it out. And in. And let's see here, and then we can bring it out and connect there. And then let's see here, before we continue with that, let's come back right here, and we're going to follow the curve that we drew all the way over, so we can kind of show the belly area and give our dragon some volume. So about right here, just continue and in. There. So hopefully that's starting to look like a dragon. And then about right here where the tail is, we're going to just simplify it by bringing it down. And let's say about right. It's going to continue about right here. And this is going to continue here, so let's go ahead and draw this part, and we're going to bring it down towards the feet area. And let's bring this up. So we're just going to get thinner and just swing it out. And connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's thicken this part up, so we come down and just taper it in. And then now for the back of the front leg, so about right here, just like that one, the front. We're going to pop this out. And once again, you can pop in a nail if you like. There. And once again, same thing in the back. Come about right here. And once again, same thing. There. So we've got the back one in. And then now we need to draw, let's see here, a bunch of scales. Oh no, actually the back, the spikes on the back. So whatever space you have left, just an indication that there's spikes going all the way. I'm going to zigzag my way across. So just kind of giving it a little wave, and then here maybe you start to turn and get smaller and in. Bring this out a little bit more, and then about right here, I'm going to put in curve and curve, kind of like a flame. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we need to come back into this area, and we're going to draw some of these curve lines. And here. There. So hopefully that gives it some volume. And so notice how I changed the direction of our lines as we are moving towards around the body. And let's see here. Bring this in a little bit more. And then we can come back and just lightly, I'm going to come in here and there. Make it look like scales. So notice as we traverse throughout the body, it changes direction. Okay, and like I said, I was trying to draw a simplified dragon, Chinese dragon, and hopefully I haven't overcomplicated, but you get the idea. And hopefully I've inspired you today to create your own Chinese dragon to celebrate the Year of the Dragon. I really hope you love how this turned out. And before I go, I almost forgot, I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Chinese dragon for the very happy new year to celebrate the Year of the Dragon. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.